Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to fix friend requests not showing on Snapchat. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your settings. And then once you've done that, you want to scroll down until you see your Snapchat. And then, as you can see here, you need to make sure that you allow notifications. So if that is turned on, you want to turn that on so that you can receive any notifications about the friend request, okay? But if that's not work with you, you want to go back to settings and then go to general and then go to iPhone storage. So here you just want to wait. Okay. And then here, once it is loaded, you want to scroll down until you see your Snapchat, okay? And after that, you want to click offload app. So offloading Snapchat will delete the app but keep its documents and data. So you want to offload that app. So once you've done that, you want to go to the App Store and then search for Snapchat. Okay, here you want to click update, and once that's done, you're good to go. That's how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.